Oké, het huis. Nog een keer. De buitenkant? Nee. Zure. Dit is ons huis. Second floor. The first floor is ours. Okay, going in. This is the main entrance. The bedroom. One bedroom is here. Main entrance. My name is going to be here. The door. This is the elevator. The stairs. Trying to stay fit, so we will use this stairs all the time. And going in. Okay, here we have the main entrance. Good locks. Very important. This is the view. Here is the stairs to go down around the corner. This is the door that leads into the bedrooms. And here is the living room. Window. All electric blinds. Going into the living. And if we turn, we have the kitchen. The owner will finish the kitchen completely the way I want it, which is good. The door again. Then we have a back balcony with a barbecue. Okay, and there's a small little garden which we can see from the downstairs bedroom. So going back in again. Okay, the colors of the kitchen are like cream, dark, brown. Yes. Going outside. What have we got here? Balcony. There's one neighbor. And going around. Playground, very close by. And a nice big veranda. Okay, going on again, so you have the main entrance. Here we go into the bedrooms. One bedroom. The windows open both ways, which is very handy, and for security very good too. Lots of light. Built-in wardrobes. Beautiful doors. Good quality. Then another one. Here's the bathroom. Beautiful tiles. This is the space for the washing machine. Going on to the second bedroom, which is similar to the first, only more wardrobes. Okay, now going down, going in again to the living room, and from the living room, when we turn around you have here the entrance. You can go down. Okay, we go a little bit dark. And then on the bottom floor, so now we are on the ground floor. There's one room, not big, but okay, not bad either. And this is the one that has a little garden. And here is the second bedroom, which again leads to the front garden. All electric blinds, so we can try that straight away now. Yep, that works. Very nice. And we can see all those lovely men discussing about architects, lawyers, papers, legal things. That's the other bedroom. This is a very big bedroom. We can make this into like a big bedrooms and playroom. Big. Nice. So that's the bedroom number 4 that was. And then additionally it has the little bathroom, second bathroom, which is, here he's going to put some marble, make it like a real separate shower. And then it will have here, it has a second bathroom. Okay, well, that includes everything, I think. Here you can see nice doors. Bedroom. Ergomen! Okay, that was it. Praying everything's going to be alright now.